Hey, this is Chris with Southern Slot Racing. Got my track set up here. Got a 4x8 piece of plywood and put some indoor-outdoor carpet down. Have it sitting on a little bifold table. Nice little 2-lane layout here. First big layout of the channel here. Let's see if we can see what some cars look like going around. Here we are back. Got the camera set up. Got the AFX N1 Formula 1 car on the track. Let's see what she does. A little bit of throttle. Still got the little 120 ohm controller here. That thing will, I'm not even got it all the way back. That thing is flying. I got a DeFalco controller coming. There we go. We got a flyaway. Hang on. Let's go get it. All right. I got the blue one on. Let's see what it does. It's going to be kind of a little hard to see, but she's a go-getter too. Well, there must be a spot there. Hang on. Yep. Found a little. Only thing about this clickety-clack track, you got to make sure it's all flat and no little bumps on where it's coming together. There's a little bump over in that corner. Let's see if we got it. Yeah, I think we got it that time. Look at it. She just flies. You can barely see her in the video. Let's change cars to the Superinternational Set, one of those AFX cars. I haven't driven this one. This is these things are light and they will come off the track in a heartbeat, just like that. Where's the Red Bull? The Red Bull one likes to stay on the track. Again, it's kind of hard to see with that Red Bull, but she's a hanger on. She likes to hang in there. And we'll see the difference. I'll put my Auto World. Now, I've changed out the only thing I've done on this, I have changed out the guide pin to instead of that flat thing to a round pin. Come on. There we go. These Auto World cars, they don't like this 120 ohm controller, but it's pretty decent. It'll be good for the grandson and for granddaughter when they come over. But I still like the body. It's a love Camaro, so. All right. We got the GSP out. Looking pretty cool there. Car number 1. Of course it is. Sweet little ride. Back in another lifetime, I used to be deputy sheriff here in Georgia, so got to have security. We'll put him right here on the infield. All right, just want to give you a quick update and show you the track. I'll be showing some more videos of what I've done, and just like, share, subscribe. Appreciate all my subscribers. They're growing. Appreciate it. Appreciate all the comments on the videos. Got mostly shorts out there right now, but got a lot of content coming. Talk to you later.